Hi everyone, it's a beautiful day in the mountains of Wyoming and I'm fishing this little stream behind me that apparently has Yellowstone cutthroat trout in it. So that is a native fish for this area. I've never fished this before, so I guess we'll have to see. And then I'm fishing with this rod. I bought this off of Amazon. This is the Aventic Xeno 9-foot 10-section WY series. Is that the Wyoming series? I don't know. If so, that is a fitting thing to fish with here in Wyoming. This is a super cheap rod off of Amazon. It's like $30, $20, $40. I honestly don't remember how much this cost, but fairly affordable as far as rods go. I have fished a couple other Aventic rods, including one pretty similar to this one. The one that was also 9 feet like this. Fished very well, and so this one is supposed to be even better. I think there's some fiberglass in these rods in addition to just like the carbon fiber or whatever, but yeah, I'm not entirely sure. The important thing is how well does it fish. So let's get the gear ready, get all rigged up, and get to fishing. I've rigged up the rod with a 9-foot line on here and a black and gold kebari, size 12. I can tell you already, without even casting this rod, this is an extremely soft, extremely bendy rod. Should be interesting. I think it's raining a little bit. I just came from fishing another river. Oh, fish on! Right away! Nice fish for this kind of creek, this size of creek. Very bendy rod though, doesn't have a ton of backbone, but wow, already, I mean in the first few casts, that's a beauty. That's a beautiful fish. It's about a 10-incher. Wow. How's that for a first fish? Beautiful. Gorgeous fish. See ya, buddy. Nice. Okay, that bodes well for this fishing session. The good-looking pools aren't super frequent. It's not like bam, 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 you know, but looks like there's enough here to keep me busy. There's one potentially good-looking spot under the tree branches here. Gonna do a bow and arrow cast. See if anything bites. And it doesn't. Pretty shallow under there, but I thought I would give it a shot anyway. I am getting rained on a little bit. I was fishing a river about an hour ago nearby. Caught one little brook trout and just didn't see much in the way of fish there, so I decided to move locations. And it was raining on me there too. I had to actually take a break. Had to head back to the car because it was raining on me. Got a couple of good looking spots here. Nice little rod. Yeah, very nice. It's not just good for $30. Oh! Was that a rock? I think that was probably a rock or some moss. It's not just good for, you know, for a $30 rod. It's a good little rod. Period. That's how I felt about the other version of this rod that I fished. That's how I feel about this one too. This rod comes in a ton of colors. Like I remember seeing pink and blue and red. I don't have any kind of highlighter yellow rods, so I thought I'd go with this one. This is grizzly bear country, and apparently pretty active grizzly bear country. Like there are signs at the trailhead saying that this is grizzly bear country, so I'm prepared. Hopefully I don't run into one. But yeah, this is wild country where I am. This is a good looking spot. Yep. Oh, darn it. Got some nice looking pools up ahead here. And some big old trees to contend with. Oh, fish on! Where is he? Got him. Yes. Okay, let's go back over this log here. Wow. Good fish in this creek. This one's as big, if not bigger. Might be 10.5 inches. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Wow. Fish on. Got him. Not quite as big as the others, but still more than decent. Beautiful cutthroat. See ya, buddy. Got one. Nice. Oh, darn it. That one again seemed big, as big, if not bigger, than the others. Awesome creek. Let's see if we can get the line underneath the tree here and alongside the bank. That wasn't a very good cast. Neither was that. There we go. There we go. There was a fish over there. Oh, he ran downstream. There we go. Pretty pink sides. Pretty pink cheeks on this one. Very nice. See ya, buddy. Okay, I don't know if you can really see this, but it's raining quite a bit now, so I'm gonna just stand or sit under this big tree here and see if I can wait it out. Okay, I had to wait it out for about 20 minutes on this rock here, but I think the rain has passed over. It's still cloudy in every direction, overcast in every direction, but looks like for now we're in the clear. There we go. Fish on. I just spooked another one. Got him. Yeah. Another cutthroat. Another decently sized fish. See ya, buddy. Very nice. Fish on. Ooh, and off. That one looks very golden. Had nice coloration on it. Fish on. Feels good. Looks colorful. Can't find him. I'm gonna have to hand line this one in. The rod is too soft. It's like an 11 or 12-inch fish, I think. Okay, we got him. Again, that golden color and the coloration on the cheeks. Yeah, that's an 11-incher, 11 and a half. Man. Beauty. Fish on. from the far side there. Got him. Man, what an awesome creek. What beautiful fish. It's another 10-incher. See ya, buddy. Well, I wasn't recording, but I just caught another fish. Same size class, 10, 11 inches, somewhere in there. And I was just saying how this rod feels good because it's soft, but that also makes it a little bit hard to fight fish when they are a little bit on the bigger side for probably what this rod was intended for. This would be a great rod. Whoa! Deeper than I thought there. This would be a great rod for, you know, 6 to 8 inch fish, but you get bigger than that and they start to dictate the terms, you know? It's harder to control the fish with this rod. That fish that I just caught, it was right there, that's where I hooked into it, and then the fish immediately jumped down over the little waterfall part. I couldn't keep him from doing that because the rod was too soft. It was just bending along with the fish. Really nice looking pool here. This left side looks the best. The right looks potentially decent. There's a nice island of foam over here. Oh, didn't realize I had a fish on. I was looking at where I was gonna cast next. Got him. Yes. See you, buddy. Fish on. He's a little bit smaller than what I've been catching, but that's okay. Got him. I slammed my rod into the tree. I'll deal with that in a second. I think the fly is out. Very pale fish. Interesting. Oh, see ya, buddy. I feel like this rod is good. It's not great. It's not amazing, but it's a good rod. For the price, it's very good. If I had to fish with just this rod in this size class for a year, I could do it. That'd be fine. It's not a bad rod, even if it's not amazing. But I do like it. Oh, once again, didn't realize that I had a fish on. I'm in a little bit of a dry spell. It's been maybe 15 or 20 minutes since I've caught a fish. Not entirely sure why that is. There aren't quite as many good looking spots as there were a little bit lower, but still there are decent enough looking spots. We have one to the right of this boulder over here. Let's see if we can coax one out. See if there's anything lurking under there. Yes, there is. Got him. I saw him. I cast to him again, and there he was. Nice. Again, just a perfect fish. See ya, buddy. Fish on. Saw that little tug. That little tug on the line. Nice. See ya, buddy. Fish on. I think this will be the last one if I land it. Oh, I lost my grip on the net. Yes. Nice fish to end on. It's like 11 or 12 inches. Yeah, he's not really sitting still, but that's an 11-inch. Or is it 12? I can't quite tell. Look at that. Really nice fish. Awesome, guys. Oh, I'm tired. I was gonna wrap up, but I see another fish over here, guys. I don't want to spook it. Oh, he's gone for it twice. I don't think he's fooled. There we go. He's fighting. Got him. Okay, this is fish number 11. I was gonna stop on 10, but then I saw this guy just hanging out. Had to give it a shot. See ya, buddy. Pretty standard 10-incher, 9 or 10-incher for this creek. Oh! I was literally just about to pack up and leave. Got him. It's always a little bit tricky to net fish in shallow water, but we got this one. Okay, this I promise, again, 11-incher maybe. Beautiful spots. See ya, buddy. I fished for about an hour and a half and landed a dozen fish, lost a handful more, but I still had a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video too. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.